Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams. If you're looking to level up your crypto trading game, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that professional traders swear by, Fibonacci Retracements. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Fibonacci Retracements to identify key price levels, make better trading decisions, and maximize your gains while minimizing risk. We'll also highlight some of the most effective tools, like TradingView, Glassnode, 3 and others, that will make applying these strategies easier and more efficient. Make sure to stick around because I'll also share actionable tips and how to combine Fibonacci retracements with other strategies for the best results. Check out the links in the description for exclusive discounts on the best tools in the game. Part 1. What are Fibonacci retracements? Fibonacci retracements are a technical analysis tool based on the Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers that reveals natural ratios found everywhere, from the spirals, galaxies, to financial markets. In trading, Fibonacci retracements help identify potential support and resistance levels during price trends. These levels include 23.6%, a shallow retracement often marking minor corrections; 38.2%, a stronger level where price pullbacks often occur; 50%, not officially a Fibonacci ratio, widely recognized by traders as a critical halfway mark; 61.8%, the golden ratio, where significant reversals are likely; 78.6%, indicates deeper retracements before continuation. In crypto trading, where volatility is high, these levels are critical to timing your entries and exits. Part 2. Why Fibonacci retracements work in crypto markets. So why are Fibonacci retracements especially useful in the unpredictable world of crypto? Here are 4 reasons why. 1. Identifying pullbacks in trends. Crypto markets rarely move in straight lines. Fibonacci levels help you predict where the price might pause or reverse during a pullback. 2. Strategic entry and exit points. Instead of guessing when to buy or sell, Fibonacci retracements offer clear zones for action. 3. Combining technical and on-chain data. Pairing retracement levels with on-chain data tools like Glassnode ensures your strategy is grounded in market sentiment and real activity. 4. Risk management. Using Fibonacci levels to set stop-loss orders or determine profit targets can dramatically improve your risk-to-reward ratio. Part 3. Essential tools for Fibonacci retracements. To successfully use Fibonacci retracements, you need the right tools. Here are my top recommendations. TradingView. This is a must-have platform for drawing Fibonacci levels on charts. It provides advanced charting tools, real-time data, and the ability to overlay multiple indicators. Glassnode. Enhance your analysis by combining Fibonacci retracements with Glassnode's powerful on-chain metrics. Analyze wallet activity, exchange flows, and more to confirm trends. CoinStats. Keep track of your portfolio and ensure your trades align with your overall goals. CoinStats syncs with exchanges and wallets, offering a seamless tracking experience. 3. Integrate automated trading strategies with Fibonacci retracement levels using 3. Set up trading bots to execute your strategy consistently and avoid emotional decisions. Bybit. Bybit offers a smooth trading experience with low fees, making it an ideal platform for executing Fibonacci-based trades. Part 4. Step-by-step guide to using Fibonacci retracements. Let's get into the actionable steps. 1. Identify a trend. Start by identifying a clear uptrend or downtrend. Look for a strong price movement on the chart that's easy to define as a swing high or swing low. 2. Draw the Fibonacci levels. On TradingView, select the Fibonacci retracement tool. Draw it from the swing high to the swing low for downtrends, or vice versa for uptrends. 3. Observe key levels. Pay special attention to the 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8% levels. These often act as magnets, where the price either consolidates or reverses. 4. Combine indicators for confirmation. Fibonacci retracements work best when paired with indicators like RSI Relative Strength Index, 2-spot overbought or oversold conditions, moving averages, to identify trend direction. On-chain metrics. Use Glassnode to check market sentiment. 5. Set risk and reward targets. Define your stop-loss and take-profit points based on Fibonacci levels. For example, you can place your stop-loss slightly below the 61.8% level and aim for a take-profit at the 38.2% or 23.6% level. Part 5. For advanced tips for Fibonacci trading. 1. Use multiple timeframes. Check Fibonacci levels on both short-term and long-term charts to find confluence. 2. Watch for breakouts. If the price moves decisively above or below a key Fibonacci level, it often signals a breakout or trend continuation. 3. Test with demo accounts. Platforms like Bybit allow you to practice with demo accounts. Use this to refine your strategy without risking real capital. 4. Stay informed. Leverage real-time insights from TradingView and Glassnode to stay ahead of market movements. Fibonacci retracements are a powerful tool that can transform your crypto trading. But as with any strategy, practice makes perfect. Use the tools I mentioned to sharpen your skills and gain a deeper understanding of market behavior. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Check out the links in the description for exclusive discounts on the best tools in the game and to explore more of my crypto trading content.